Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to set default warehouses from multiple warehouses in Odoo 19. Let's dive into the inventory module, and upon moving on to the warehouses over here, you would be able to find we have many warehouses over here. Okay, and now I just want to set warehouse A as a default warehouse. Upon moving on to the overview, you can see that currently the receipts, internal transfers, deliveries, every operations are taking place under WC. That's warehouse C, and currently the warehouse C is the default warehouse. From this, I want to set the warehouse A as a default warehouse. So what I'll be doing is that now I'll be simply dragging and placing it above of all of the warehouses. So which warehouse is first in the sequential order, that warehouse will be treated as the default warehouse. Now let me move on to the product over here, and let's consider a product. Let's say the product is customized cabinet. Okay, and you can just see that as you just try to add the product over here, currently the default location will be WA stock, but still this will not be treated as a default warehouse when you try to receive the product through a purchase order or through a sales. So here, as you just move on, currently you can see the default warehouse is WC and warehouse C, and upon moving on to the sales also, you can see that the warehouse will be WC over here. Okay, under the delivery orders, it's been changed as WA, but under the reception, you can see it's as the WC. Now I just want to change all the warehouses, that's like from WC to WA. For that, you just need to consider the operations. So under the operations here, you can see that we have the operations. We just need to place the receipts of warehouse A in the top. And now let me just move on to the delivery orders. Let me place it over here. Okay, when you just change the sequential order of the warehouses of WA, it simply change the default warehouse under the sales. But when you just want to set a default warehouse for the purchase, you just need to manage with the operation types also. Now upon moving on to the overview, you can see that the operation types being changed over here for the warehouse A. And now let's move on to the purchase module, and let me create a new purchase order. So from the vendor ready-made, and you can choose the product which is customizable desk. Let me choose the product. No, this is not the product that I want, so let me remove it. And upon moving on to the product, you would be able to find its customized cabinet. Let me choose the exact product from here. Let me move on to the request for quotation, and I'll be adding it over here. Okay, now you can see that the delivery to is WA receipts. Okay, and once it's done, you can click on confirm and you can receive the item, and upon validation the product will be now reached in the warehouse. As you just move on to the customized cabinet, you can see that currently the product will be placed under the location WA stock. Now if you just want to manage the product from the sales, you can see that you can just manage, and the product will be removing from the warehouse A. So as you just move on to the other info, you can see the default warehouse is WA, and under the order lines you can choose a product, so which is customized cabinet with one quantity. Now let's confirm the order. So upon confirmation, you can see that we can just deliver the item to the customer. So let me validate the process, and you can see that currently the product will be taken from WA and is delivered to the customer. Now upon moving on to the inventory, move history, you can see that the history, the product from where the product is taken, the default warehouse where we have set it as A, and you can also find the incoming movement and outgoing movement of the product under the move history. Now what if I tell you you can use Odoo from your mobile? You can take your Odoo experience beyond the desktop with Mobo, the open source mobile suite built for business on to go. that manage your operations anytime, anywhere. You can access the data, monitor performance, and stay connected from your smartphones. This is designed both for iOS and Android, and Mobo delivers a seamless, intuitive experience that helps your team works faster and smarter, which also built with an open source philosophy. Mobo gives you the flexibility to customize, extend, and innovate without limits. Experience Odoo mobility with Mobo. Explore the apps and join the community and transform the way you work. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.